Have you been feeling restless lately? Your mind won't slow down. Your heart feels heavy. Sleep doesn't come easily. If that sounds like you, this message is for you. God is restoring your peace. Life doesn't always get loud on the outside. Sometimes the noise is inside your head. Worry about tomorrow. Regret about yesterday. Fear about what could go wrong. You pray, but your thoughts keep racing. Here's what Jesus teaches us. Peace doesn't come from having control. Peace comes from trusting God. Even in chaos, Jesus speaks calmly. Do not be afraid. Jesus never promised a life without storms. He promised peace in the storm. When waves rise and winds grow strong, Jesus doesn't panic. He stands firm. The same Jesus who calmed the sea can calm your heart. When you invite Jesus into your worries, his peace begins to replace your fear. Not all at once, but step by step. Peace grows when you release what you can't control. You don't have to fix everything today. You don't have to understand everything now. God is already ahead of you. What's keeping you awake at night is already in his hands. When you surrender your stress, God fills that space with peace. A peace the world cannot give. A peace that stays. If your heart feels restless today, remember this. God sees you. God cares about you. God is restoring your peace. Breathe. Slow down. Trust him. Because peace is not far away. It's closer than you think. If this message touched your heart, type Amen in the comments. And never forget, God is restoring your peace.